Well, students, 11th class, this is your second chapter, Rights in the Indian Constitution. And here in this video, we are dealing with the second right, that is right to freedom. So, right to freedom. Our Constitution has guaranteed 6 freedoms. And this is from articles 19 to 22. That means article 19 to 22 has the constitution has guaranteed all these 6 freedoms. Let us see and discuss one by one. First is freedom of speech and expression. Right to freedom of speech and expression. Now, as all of you know that India is a democratic country, and in a democracy, every citizen has the right to express him or herself the way he or she wants. No restriction of any form so far as the speech and expression of an individual is concerned. ठीक है? This is the true feel of the democracy. आपका प्रेस, आपका मीडिया, आपके लीडर्स, ठीक है, एवरीबॉडी, इवन यू, इवन वी ऑल, we have this freedom has been guaranteed by the constitution, that no one can put this control on your this, ठीक है, no restriction. Why? Because this is the true feel of the democracy. Second, the constitution has provided you the right to assemble peacefully and without arms. मतलब आप जितनी बड़ी मर्जी गैदरिंग कर सकते हो, कोई एसोसिएशन बना के अगर आप उसको एड्रेस करना चाहते हो, कोई आप यूनियन बनाना चाहते हो, कोई एसोसिएशन बनाना चाहते हो, तो यू आर फ्री, यू आर ए पार्ट ऑफ ए डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री, सो यू हैव गॉट फुल फ्रीडम टू असेंबल पीसफुली. जितने मर्जी बड़े नंबर में क्यों ना हो, ठीक है, नो लिमिट. So you can assemble peacefully, you can convey your expressions, you can use any words, you can speak, but the thing is you will not carry the arms with you. If you are a part of that assembly where arms are there with you, you cannot, that will be illegal then. So the constitution provides you full freedom to assemble peacefully without arms. Next is third freedom which the constitution guarantees, right to form associations and unions. See, well, again, this is the true picture of democracy, that in a democracy we all can raise our voices, we all can express ourselves, we all can assemble peacefully without arms, and these things are possible by the फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एसोसिएशन एंड यूनियंस. इतने बड़े बड़े मूवमेंट्स चले हमारे कंट्री में, जो डेमोक्रेसी को स्ट्रेंथन किया जिन्होंने, ठीक है. सो ये नहीं कि ये यूनियन और एसोसिएशन जो हैं दे कैरी एनी नेगेटिव पिक्चर, दे आर द पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी, एंड वी आर कंप्लीटली फ्री, एंड दिस फ्रीडम हैज़ बीन प्रोवाइडेड टू अस बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आपकी मोरालिटी, आपकी डिसेंसी जो है, वो कोई गलत ऑफेंस अगर आप करते हो तब आपको रोका जाता है. इफ डिसेंटली, लॉफुली you are forming the associations, then the constitution guarantees that this freedom has been given to you only. Okay, then is the right to reside or settle in any part of the territory of the country. इंडिया की टेरिटरी के किसी भी पार्ट में, in any state, in any district, in anywhere you can reside, you can make your permanent settlement there, you can own a house over there, ठीक है. So no limit has been given कि if you are residing in one particular state you cannot move to second. No, free किसी वीज़ा की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको. You can freely settle in any part of the country. क्लियर. देन इसी के साथ का है राइट हैज़ बीन गिवन टू यू टू एक्वायर, टू होल्ड, और if you wish to dispose of the property. Wherever you have the property, you can dispose and you can acquire somewhere else. You can acquire, you can hold, and you can dispose of your property whenever you feel like. No restriction has been given. No law which can prohibit कि you cannot. Then another freedom is practice any profession or carry any occupation, any trade, any business. That means like now you have chosen your streams. So something you must be carrying in your mind that which profession you need to follow. क्या आपको किसी ने गाइड किया? क्या आपको किसी लॉ ने बोला? नो ना, दिस वॉज योर चॉइस, दिस इज योर पर्सनल चॉइस. And our constitution guarantees this freedom also, that you can practice any profession, doctor, engineer, teacher, what lawyer, whatever you can choose, you can go for that profession, job, or you can carry on any occupation, any business activity you can perform, any trading you can done. This all the freedom is provided by the constitution to you. Clear? So all these 6 freedoms, whenever you get a question on this, explain this particular right, you need to explain all these point wise one by one. Thank you.